Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here to do a prom inspired makeup. Now I'm 25, so I haven't been to prom in years, but we are going to prom today. Okay, so yeah, excuse my little, I never wear head wraps like this, but I put it on because I honestly didn't feel like doing my hair underneath just yet, because I don't really like to do my hair before I do my makeup, because I always get like makeup like right here in my hair and stuff. So I wanted to do it afterwards, and I wasn't finna come on here looking like a chia pet. Okay, so I threw this thing on and that's what we're gonna roll with. Ugh, I look so shiny. Ugh, cannot. My skin has been straight trippy. Alright, okay. So I'm gonna take this powder right here, this orange color. Get that on my brush. Some of that shade and tone it down just a little. So now we're gonna go in with like this plummy shade. Isn't it pretty? Like, that's so pretty. Okay, so do I want, no, I don't want that one. I'll take the dark brown right here, and I want to focus that right in here. So you know what, I need to change my brush. You know what, I haven't been able to find my other brush that I like to do this, but this one will have to do, because I don't know where my other one is. Now I'm going to hop into my Morphe 3502 palette. Okay. And we're gonna build this up. So probably gonna start with the, where is it? This chocolate shade right here. And now I'm gonna go into a little black. Okay, so now I'm going to take an angled brush in that black, and I'm gonna cut out the crease even more. We are going to go in with these babies. Oh yeah, so this looks green, but it's gold. So this is a gold glitter, and this is a rose, like a rosy gold glitter. So I'm gonna take both of them and put them on my lids. Now I'm gonna go in with the gold first. Glistening up in here. Now I'm gonna go in with the rosy gold shade and put that in there. are still teenagers and we're just going to prom. So I'm not gonna contour with cream and all that because it's not, you know, I don't think that's necessary. You don't need to be, you need to be beat, but you don't need to be like beat to the gods, you know what I mean? Like, you're going to prom, you're in high school, sit down. Just saying. Alright, so let me go fix my hair and I'll be back. Alright guys, so this is the finished product. I just threw my hair in the bun and fixed the front. You know, since it's prom, I had to go throw in a wig for y'all. I wish I looked like this when I went to prom. Well, let me say, I wish I knew how to do my makeup when I went to prom because this is popping. Anyway, thank you so much for watching my video and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.